we're going to look at next video how to go from uh, Fusion 360 into the advanced manufacturing of the CNC machine. So we're going to post our work, which will post the G code that sits in the background and tells our CNC machine what to do. So open up your Fusion 360 account. Should look something like this. And currently we're in the manufacturing model, and we've got a range of, we've got our setup, and we've got two completed toolpaths. So what we need to do now is we've simulated them and we've checked them. They're all right. We're happy with that. We're going to come over here to the post-processing. Hitting the post-processor, you can see it comes across here. We need to make sure that we've got our multicam machine, which is what we're using. And we can name our file. Our file number 1001 stays the same, and we just change our file name. Essentially, I'm just going to call this the name of the job. So, for example, JMU CNC sign. All right. And what we're going to do now is just hit post. Okay, the NC code, so the code behind the CNC machine has been posted successfully. We now need to open up the CNC machine program, which is this little program here in the bottom left-hand corner. And it will open up this toolbar. We're just going to go across to the TTC router and find the file that we want to cut. So under desktop, in a folder called NC files, we're going to select, and then we're going to press this bottom toolbar here to the right, and we're going to click date twice. 1, 2, and then move our toolbar back to the left, and that's going to put our project, our G code we just sent to the top. And then I'm just going to select the folder that I want it to go into, and I'm going to select the folder, and I'm going to push it across. Now once it's across here, that means it's sitting on the machine. All I need to do now is right click that and hit select, and that's going to move it ready to be cut on the machine straight away.